guys, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. And first of all, who is this with new hair? Yes, I got a haircut done and I honestly got slightly bored with my last hairstyle, so I thought, why not go for a change? I know this is not like a drastic makeover like the previous one, but still any change is good, right? So let me know in the comment section, how did you guys like this new hairdo? This one is like a flat straight cut hairstyle with lots and lots of layers added at the back and also some at the front. Talking about today's tutorial, it's all about a soft brown smoky eye with nude lips, and it's going to be a very monotone makeup look. This is the kind of look that you can wear to any wedding or parties, office events or anything. And the best part about this look is that since it's all about neutrals here, you can pair this look with any color. So if you guys are excited for this tutorial, let's get started with it.
Starting off with my eyebrows, and I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm just filling in all the sparse areas at the front, in the middle and at the tail as well. And I'm setting my hair with a spoolie. For the eyeshadow, I'm prepping my eyelids first and using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and blending it with a fluffy brush. This one is by Real Techniques. And then to set the concealer, I'm using the powder by LA Girl. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using this very cool toned brown eyeshadow. This is from the Modern Renaissance ABH palette, and I'm using this color on my outer V area and also on my crease area, and I'm using the PAC 210 brush to do so, and I'm also applying this color a little bit on my lid as well. Moving further, I'm taking this very warm caramelly brown color and applying this all over my lid area, and I'm using the PAC 204 brush to do so. Next, I'm taking this very muddy browny color from the same palette, and I'm using a very small definer brush for my eyes. This is by Real Techniques, and applying this color all over my lid area and taking all my time to blend this color. Next, I'm going to take this color, the caramelly brown color, and using it on my crease and outer V area so that everything looks nice and smooth. Moving on to the base, I'm using the Fit Me Foundation on my face and on my neck, and it's looking a little bit white. I have no idea why, but it's going to settle down, so don't freak out. Moving on to the concealer, I'm using a brightening concealer underneath my eyes, and this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I'm using this one on the rest of my face. To blend everything in place, I'm using the PAC 234 buffing brush. This is a really nice buffing brush for the face, guys. And to blend the concealer underneath my eyes, I'm using a small concealer brush. This is by Real Techniques. You guys must have seen me using this a lot of times, and I absolutely love this brush. It's time to set everything in place, and I'm using the Coloressence loose powder underneath my eyes, and then whatever is left on the brush, I'm just swiping it across my face and also on my neck. Moving on, I'm using this bronzer by NYX and applying this on the hollows of my cheekbones, my forehead, and also on my jawline. And I highly recommend this bronzer to you guys. It's it has such a very, buttery feel to it. I love using it. Okay, so I'm just dusting off the excess loose powder underneath my eyes. And moving on to the blush, I'm using this very corally, pretty, sparkly blush. This is by Milani, and it's such a gorgeous color. And I'm using the brush that came along with the blush palette itself. I'm applying some loose powder below my cheekbones for that sculpted cheeks look and dusting it off immediately. Moving further, I'm going to take that dark brown color and applying this on my lower lash line, and this will change your eye makeup game completely. And then I'm going to take the combination of both these colors and applying this on my lower lash line. Now this will blend all the three colors so beautifully, and your lower lash line will not look that harsh. And I'm again taking the same two combination of colors and applying it on my crease and my outer V area to give that a very nice smoked out look. And as you guys can see here, I'm using a clean blending brush to blend the brown very nicely. Moving further, I'm going to take a kajal. This is the one by Sephora, and I'm only applying it on my lower waterline, and I'm also smudging the kajal a little bit for that smoked out look. For my lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm not using any falsies today, but if you want, you can definitely use it. For lips, I'm using the, I think it's the PAC Lip Liner in Mauve. And firstly, I'm lining my lips. And then I'm using the Maybelline lipstick. And this one is in the shade Nude Nuance. And it's such a gorgeous nude color, guys. For the highlighter, I'm applying this highlighter by Makeup Revolution and applying it on all the high points of my face. And using this shade from the palette, I'm applying it on my brow bone and my inner corner. And to complete my look, I wore these studs by Accessorize. Not too much drama on the accessories.
I hope it was a fun tutorial for you guys and you learned something new, and if you happen to recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me in your pictures. Also, make sure that you follow me on all my social media channels, especially on Instagram, because I'm posting a lot of videos there, and also on my IGTV as well. So yeah, if you like this video, please give this one a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family and everybody that you know, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video super soon. Love you. Bye.